In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize invoice template in QuickBooks Online. Customizing your invoice is one of the easiest ways to make your brand look professional and ensure your customers get all the details they need to pay you quickly. We'll start inside QuickBooks Online. Sign in, and once your dashboard loads, look to the top right and open the Settings menu, the gear icon. From there, go to Custom Form Styles. This is the hub where all your sales form templates live. On the Custom Form Styles page, choose New Style, then select Invoice. This opens the Invoice Designer. You'll see options to tailor both the look and the content, so let's go through the essentials you'll want to adjust. Begin with your design. Add your logo if you haven't already, pick an accent color that matches your brand, and choose a clean, readable font. Keep contrast high so totals are easy to read, and avoid very small text. If your logo has strong colors, consider a neutral accent color so the form remains legible when printed. Next, fine-tune the content. In the header, make sure your business name and address are correct and that your customer's billing details will display clearly. Ensure the invoice number, invoice date, and due date are visible. Those are critical for your customers and for your own records. In the table section, decide which columns you need: description, quantity, rate, amount, and any item or service details. If you track taxes or discounts, turn those on so they show up properly. You can usually rename labels to match your terminology and reorder columns to prioritize what matters most to your customers. Add helpful information in the footer, such as payment terms, a short thank you note, and brief payment instructions. Keep it concise but specific. Clarify due dates, late fees if applicable, and where to send payment. If you accept online payments through QuickBooks, you can include a note that the invoice supports paying directly from the email or PDF. Before you finish, take a moment to preview how the invoice looks on screen and imagine how it will appear when printed. Avoid clutter. Keep the totals prominent and make sure your contact details are easy to find in case customers have questions. Small spacing adjustments can make a big difference in readability. Once everything looks right, click Done to save your template. Your new invoice style will now be available when you create invoices, helping you present a consistent, polished brand every time. That's it. Your customized invoice template is ready to use.